Okay, moving on. Today we're learning about a workout that comes with a ton of health benefits. And while it might look a little intimidating, battle ropes are a simple workout tool that everyone can use. So let's find out why you should give them a try. Joining me today is Annie Padrid, owner of The Space. Now, Annie, we all see these ropes laying around the gym. Some of us use them, and some of us run far, far away from them. But I think where we need to start is just to explain to everybody what battle ropes are.
Battle ropes are quite literally a long rope that we use as a training tool. They can range anywhere from, say, 15 feet to 25 feet. They can be sort of the diameter of a softball or in a golf ball. It just kind of depends on what version you're using. And the weight is totally variable.
We know that battle ropes are a great full body workout. What muscles are we targeting?
The battle ropes are fantastic because they use essentially every little bit of muscle that you have in your body. We're really kind of focusing in the core, especially when you utilize them properly. So when you think about exercise in any form, the larger the muscles that you're using, or the more muscles you're recruiting, the more oxygen your body needs to get them to do what you're asking them. That's the reason your heart rate goes up. That's where the cardiovascular aspect of this exercise comes into play.
So if we start using battle ropes consistently, where it's part of our routine, what kind of positive impact do you think that people will receive in their everyday functionality?
Battle ropes can be really a great tool specifically for increasing bone density, or even at a minimum, stopping the progression of bone loss.
Well, the best way to get started doing something is to see an example, Annie. So you have some exercises to show us.
So this is my very dear friend and colleague, Mart. He teaches our ropes class here at The Space. And he's going to start us off with what we call Little Drummer Boy. Essentially, he's got an underhand grip on the ropes, and he's going to make really small, quick waves that end up hitting their anchor point.
The next exercise you're calling a figure 8, but we're not talking about ice skating here.
And now with an underhand grip again, he's going to quite literally make figure 8s as though he's sort of conducting an orchestra with his hands as he moves those ropes.
For your third exercise, you're gonna bring it up to the next level. What are we doing?
Mark's gonna turn his body so that he's got one foot to the side and one foot back. And then he's gonna take his front arm and put it up as though he's holding the top of the guitar. And then he's gonna take the other hand with the rope and he's gonna circle it as though he's strumming the guitar like he's some sort of incredible rock star.
So overall, I think battle ropes are really a great way to benefit our health.
We're looking at cardiovascular benefit, we're looking at musculoskeletal benefit, bone density improvements. Battle ropes are a fantastic way to start to really kind of build up your fitness level and enjoy yourself in the gym as much as you can.
Annie, thank you so much for all the good information.
Absolutely. Thank you, Jane.
Do you use battle ropes in your workout routine? Well, we want to see you in action. Be sure to tag us on Instagram at Living Healthy TV. So if you like this video and want more Living Healthy, just subscribe to our channel.